Hi, on the last video on this series, I would like to show you the delivery part. So as you can see here, delivery is the last part of our journey. So I have the board on the left bottom side here. So delivery, as each platform is created with more than one application, and the most important part is the delivery back office, when you can create your routes, you can manage your drivers and operate all the things. And of course, there is dedicated Android and iOS mobile apps for the drivers, so they can download the mobile apps and they can use it once they are delivering. I will show it a little bit later. If we go to the bottom, it is good to understand when the logistics in the NutriBot naming starting. So the logistics starting, once all the meals are ready, they are packed in the food containers and they are collected on the shelves. And now there is a first step, which is the meals stacking. So you need to collect all the meals for each customer. And if we take a look on our report, we have our production cycle, there is bags packing, and we can see customer by customer with all their meals. And what is really important here, there is a meal code. So as I told, we have a really smart and helpful coding. So you can generate the dedicated code of the meal, which can be printed on the label. And on the label, you can see what kind of meals you need to pack to each bag without typing all the meal names. It is pretty handy. So automatically we touched the bags labeling, so you can print the labels, and they of course can be different than the food containers labels. You can stick them to the bags, and based on the labels you can pack the right meals to the bags. Then at the last step you can confirm if they are already collected. So we have the dedicated QR code features, so the drivers can open their own app, or you can open the production app, and by simple scanning the QR codes on the already packed bags, you can change the status and the software will know that this bag is already packed. Once the bags are connected, we should plan the routes. So the first step is sorting. So we have the delivery here, and the first step of delivery is sorting. So you should sort out the bags. So you should split the bags to the right routes. So first of all, you can design your delivery areas. You can assign the right drivers to the right areas. So once the bags will went through one of the areas, they will automatically be assigned to the right drivers. Of course, you can manually correct them, and once the packages are splitted, are sorted, then you need to plan the best route. We have a great features for the route planning. So you can use really advanced Google algorithms, and based on the different parameters like the cost of each kilometer, the capacity of the car, the delivery hours, it can automatically generate you the really advanced and really well looking route, and I will show it in practice a little bit later. And the last step is the mobile app for drivers. So as I told previously, the drivers can download their own mobile apps and they can see all the important information in the mobile app. First of all, they can see the map with the points, with the route where they should start delivering, and after clicking each point, they can open the navigation. They can also see all the details about the delivery. They can call or send the text message to the client. And after delivery, they can take a photo, they can mark the package that it is already delivered, and the customer will receive push notification on their mobile apps that they have the package in front of their doors. On the back office, you will see the photo, the detailed GPS and time of the delivery. So let's jump to our software and take a look on that in practice. So the whole journey starts from creating your delivery zones. And as you can see here, you can generate a lot of different delivery zones. Each delivery zone can be described to the different driver. Thanks of that, as I told, the bags will be automatically split between the drivers. It is the first step. Of course, in the administration panel, you can manage your drivers. I like to think about the drivers like cars. So you can add your cars, you can type their detailed parameters like the cost of 1 kilometer, cost of 1 work hours, the capacity of the vehicle, and different kind of information, including the starting point and the ending point. If it is ready, then you can start planning your routes. So if you go to routes, I have already made one of the routes. So as you can see, I have automatically splitted the packages between two drivers. The list isn't big because it is my demo account. So as you can see, I have two routes here. I can also check them on the map, and it looks that they make sense because the orange one are on the right. It is one route, and the blue one is on the left. It is the second route. Then I can go here to the routes section, and I already have designed the routes. It is the orange one, but I can use my algorithm, so I can even request for auto-assigning the packages to the drivers. I can take into consideration the delivery hours, the price of deliveries, the cost of the driver, and the software will automatically prepare the right split of the packages, and it can also design the routes. I have already made the routes here, so it looks the first one looks like that, and this is the second. They all make sense, and of course I can edit them, I can change the order, and if all is good, that's it. I just need to save it, and my drivers need to download the app, and they can see all the routes in the apps. Once the deliveries are done, we will see here the status with the detailed photo and GPS location, so you will have the proof that the package was delivered on the right time. And in short, it was the delivery and logistics model in NutriBot. I hope you will enjoy it, and see you in the next videos. Bye.